Hello children, welcome to Fun Learn Frolic. Today we are going to explore about our sky. Are you excited? At night, we can see many stars and planets in the sky. So children, be ready to know more about Sun and its family, means our solar system. Before going to start, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for the future notification. Our solar system is present in Milky Way Galaxy, a huge group of stars, gases, dust, and other matters held together in space by their mutual gravitational pull is make Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way is one of the many galaxies in the universe. There are more than 200 billion stars in the Milky Way Galaxy. It has enough dust and gas to make more billion stars in it. The center of the Milky Way Galaxy is full of mostly old stars. Its spiral arm contains more newborn stars. The center core of the Milky Way contains a supermassive black hole. Our solar system is located in the Orion Arm, a minor spiral arms. The Sun and its family are approximate 30,000 light-years from the center of the Milky Way. The Sun family of planets and their respective moon is known as solar system. The Sun has its own gravitational field which is strong enough to keep all the planets revolving around it. The Sun family having planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets move around the Sun in the same direction in an elliptical orbit. All planets except Uranus and Venus rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. The planets also rotate on their own axis as they revolve around the Sun. All the planets in the Sun family were probably formed from the same spinning cloud of the material from which the Sun was created. This could probably explain the reason why they move in the same direction while rotating on their axis. This movement is necessary. If the planet did not move at just the right speed, depending upon their distance from the Sun, they would be pulled in by the Sun gravitational force. The inner solar system includes the 4 terrestrial planets and the asteroid belt, while the outer solar system is beyond the asteroid, including the 4 giant planets. Since the discovery of the Kuiper belt, the outermost parts of the solar system are considered a distinct region consisting of the objects beyond the Neptune planet. The asteroid belt is a region in our solar system where the vast majority of asteroids are found. The asteroid belt may contain many objects, but they are spread out over a huge area of space. This has allowed spacecraft to move through this region without hitting anything. The asteroid belt is located between the orbit of Mars and the Jupiter. The asteroid belt contains billions of asteroids. Rocks and the metal are the minerals used in asteroids. Asteroids can be pushed out from the belt by the gravitational influence. The asteroids that move out of their orbit and end up crashed on the Earth are known as meteorites. The Kuiper belt is like the asteroid belt, however, it is 20 times wider and 20 to 200 times more massive. The ice are frozen volatiles that are made up of methane, nitrogen, ammonia, and water. Generally, the objects found in the Kuiper belt have a very stable orbit. However, when they get very close to Neptune, their course may be changed slightly. There are at least 3 dwarf planets located in the Kuiper belt. The dwarf planet Pluto is the largest object in the Kuiper belt. The largest mass in our solar system is recognized by the Sun. In the center of the solar system, the Sun is the star responsible for the Earth's climate and the weather. It is the perfect sphere with a difference of just 10 km in its polar diameter compared to its equilateral diameter. The mass of the Sun is approximately 330,000 times greater than the Earth. Sunlight reaches on the Earth's surface in 8.3 minutes. The Sun core is composed of hot and the dense gases. It has a temperature of 15 million Kelvin. 92.1% of the Sun is made of hydrogen, 7.8% of helium, and remaining of various other gases. When magnetic field of the Sun come together and cause huge explosion on the surface, it results in solar flare. Because of the lower temperature near the surface of the Sun, sunspots appear and they look dark. The age of the Sun is around 4.6 billion years. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and closest to the Sun. There are no moons or rings on the Mercury. The minimum distance of Mercury from the Earth is 77 million km. As the Mercury is near to the Sun, it has no atmosphere and no known satellite. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun at a distance of about 58 million km or 36 million miles. Mercury has the surface temperature and range from the minus 173 to 427 degrees Celsius. The second closest planet to the Sun is Venus. Both Venus and the Earth have similar interior composition. The orbital speed of the Venus is 35 km per second. The atmospheric pressure of the Venus is 92 times than the planet Earth. Venus has a surface of dry and the flat plains, high land regions and the depressions. The surface of the Venus has been formed by a lot of volcanic activities. It has 167 volcanoes that has been measured up to 100 km across. The composition of the Venus is 96% carbon dioxide and 3% with traces of other gases and no water vapor in the atmosphere of the Venus. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Next to the Sun and the Moon, Venus is one of the brightest objects in our sky. Earth is the third planet which revolves around the Sun, and it is the only planet where life exists. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is minimum 146 million km and maximum 152 million km. According to the scientists, Earth is around 4.6 billion years old. Earth's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and 1% is a mixture of other gases like carbon dioxide and helium, etc. Earth is not perfectly round. This is due to the planet's equatorial bulge. Earth is the densest planet in our solar system. The inner core of the Earth has the same temperature as the Sun, which is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Moon is the only natural satellite that the Earth has, and it is the second brightest object in the sky after the Sun. The Earth is tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degree. It is because of this tilt that the sun rays fall eventually on the different parts of the Earth, thus giving us different seasons. The amount of the time the Earth takes to revolve on its axis decide day and the night, and for us the time taken is going around the sun once give us the year. Earth rotates on its axis. It takes 23 hours 59 minutes and the 4 seconds to complete one rotation, causing the day and night. Like the other planet, the Earth also revolves around the Sun, and it takes 365 days and the 6 hours and the 9 minutes to complete one revolution. Mars is the fourth planet which revolves around the Sun. Mars is known as the red planet. It is known red planet because of the red dusty landscape. Mars has a very thin atmosphere. It is mainly composed of carbon dioxide. 95%, nitrogen 2.7%, argon 1.6%, with the traces of oxygen and the water. It takes Mars 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Mars has the tallest volcano named Olympus Mons. Of all the volcanoes in our solar system, it is 3 times that of the Mount Everest. Mars has the largest dust storm in the solar system, which can last for months and cover the entire planet. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Jupiter is the 5th planet around the Sun. In the solar system, Jupiter is the largest planet, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. On planet Jupiter, a day is equal to 9.8 Earth hours. There are 79 moons around the Jupiter. Jupiter's largest moon is the biggest moon in our solar system. It is larger than the planet Mercury. Jupiter's iconic red spot is a giant turbulent storm bigger than the Earth that has raged for hundreds of years. Jupiter has a great volume to hold around 1321 Earth. Jupiter has several rings, but they are very faint and made up of dust and not ice. Saturn is the 6th planet which revolves around the Sun, and it is second largest planet in our solar system. The maximum distance from the Sun to the Saturn is 1.5 billion kilometers. Saturn is a gas giant planet, therefore does not have a solid surface like the Earth. Rings of the planet Saturn are made up of water ice mixed with dust and the other chemicals. Due to the low density and the fast rotation around its axis, Saturn is flattened at its pole. Titan is the only moon of the Saturn that has an atmosphere, and it is bigger than the planet Mercury. Uranus is the 7th planet which revolves around the Sun. It is the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. Atmosphere of Uranus is composed of hydrogen, helium and methane. The methane in the atmosphere absorbs the red light, giving it blue-green color. The maximum distance from the Uranus to the Sun is 3 billion kilometers. Uranus lacks a solid, well-defined surface. Uranus is icy and the burning hot with extreme season. Like planet Venus, Uranus spins from the east to west, which is opposite from the spin of the Earth. There are 27 moons of the Uranus. Even though Neptune is located further from the Sun, Uranus is the coldest planet. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system. It is the 4th largest planet in our solar system. Neptune is the planet consisting of hydrogen, helium, methane gases with traces of ammonia and water. It is the furthest planet from the Sun. Maximum distance between Neptune and the Sun is 4.5 billion kilometers. Neptune was the first planet located through mathematical calculation, not by observation. There are total 14 moons on Neptune. Due to the absorption of the red light by methane in the atmosphere, color of Neptune is blue. In our solar system, dwarf planets are also present. Dwarf planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, has enough mass to assume a nearly round shape, has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, and it's not a moon. And it is also smaller than any of the 8 classical planets. Examples of dwarf planets are Pluto, Makemake, Eris, and others. So children, I hope you liked this video. For more such video, please like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.